So today we are going to discuss prepositions. Prepositions are those grammatical tools which show the relationship between nouns. The object of prepositions, don't get daunted by the word object though. Objects are simply वो चीजें उस सेंटेंस का वो स्ट्रक्चर या वो वर्ड जिस पे कि preposition का असर पड़ रहा है, वो है तुम्हारा object. Right? So the object of prepositions can be a noun. As in, I am talking to Ram. Ram is a noun here. To is object here. Let me show you an example. I am talking to Ram. Right? So this is your preposition. This is your noun, the object of preposition. Similarly, the object of preposition can be a pronoun, like I am talking to them. Simply replace Ram with them. Or it could be a gerund. Gerund is an ing verb which is used as a noun, like swimming. I love swimming. Right? So the object of preposition can again be a gerund, like we thought about giving a present, right? So we thought about is the preposition here, giving the present. So here giving is the gerund and about is the preposition. So you must have noticed in these three examples that the preposition came before the object, right? Before the noun, before the pronoun, or before the gerund. So usually preposition is placed before these words, before the objects. But this is not a rigid, hard and fast rule. For example, to which place did you all go to? So you notice that here the preposition to has been used at the end of the sentence. The noun here is place. So this is not which to place did you go. It sounds very weird. Or perhaps the right sentence would have been to which place did you go. But again, English is a language which has evolved through usage. So there are bound to be some discrepancies. There are no hard and fast rule to learning your English grammar, but there are certain guidelines. And we are here to give you only that. And you have to practice only. That is the only rule here. Right? Let's move on. There are many types of prepositions, like preposition of destination, preposition of space, but you don't have to remember all those, right? Good news, because all the questions that you are going to get are going to be application-based questions. So don't waste your time with definitions. You will be getting, most probably you will be getting incorrect sentences and you will have to correct them. There are one-word and two-word prepositions as well. Like for example, in, inside, to, about, around. These are one-word prepositions. And there are two-word prepositions like instead of opting for this, I opt for that. Such kinds of types of prepositions. Now coming to usage of preposition, this is the tricky part because only with practice will you be able to actually see what the correct grammatical use is going to be. But you can compare between prepositions that I think would help you. For example, about and around. About again is a very versatile preposition. You can say I arrived here at about 5 p.m. You could say I ran about the ground, right? But there is a basic difference between the usage of about and the usage of around. When you say that I arrived here at about 5 p.m. You are saying that yes, you arrived here at approximately 5 p.m. or before 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. or before 5 p.m. But when you say that you arrived here at around 5 p.m., then you need to say that either you came after 5 p.m. or before 5 p.m. or at 5 p.m. It can go both ways, right? So these are some small differences that you will be able to notice as you read more. Even when you read comprehensions, look at how the prepositions have been used, or any grammatical tool for that matter. Similarly, we have usage of in and inside. Important difference here. You never say I looked in the container. You always you say you look inside the container. Why? Because container is a demarcated space. It is containing something. Like you see, you look inside the room. It's a space with a boundary. But this is not true for in. These are certain basic differences. And as I'm saying again and again, with usage, you will be able to get the crux of it, and not a grammarian, but at least you will be able to get through that. Best of luck.